Hey RES students, it's Miss Heather and Miss Kendall here to share with you today some math games that you can play using dominoes. The first one is practicing your multiplication facts. You take the dominoes and then you take the two numbers and write them down. We have 8 times 7. And 8 times 7 is 56. Next one. Our second math fact is 9 times 6. Do you know what 9 times 6 is? It's 54. 9 times 6 is 54. The last multiplication fact is 12 times 3. And 12 times 3 is 36. So one game is just practicing your multiplication facts by writing down the two numbers on the dominoes and then multiplying them together. Another activity that you can do is changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Can you hand me that first domino? When you take your dominoes, you want to take it so that you have the biggest number on top. This one is a 12, and my other number is 5. So 12 over 5 is my improper fraction. To change that into a mixed number, I'm going to practice my division. How many times will 5 go into 12? It'll go 2 times. And 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to subtract that 10 from my 12. 12 minus 10 is 2. And then your denominator will stay the same. So 12 over 5 is the same thing as 2 2/5. And my last one is, say again, put your bigger number on top. You have 7 over, what's going to be my bottom number, Kendall? My denominator. Look right here. What is it? 2. 7 over 2. Again, use those division facts to help you. How many times will 2 go into 7? I know 2 will go into 7 3 times. It's going to be my whole number, which is 6. So then I'm going to subtract 7 minus 6 to get my new numerator, which is 1. And my denominator stays the same. So 7 over 2 is equal to 3 1/2. The last game I have for you today is determining whether a number is prime or composite. You take the two numbers that are on your dominoes and you add them together. So I have 12 plus 2 is 14. You then take 14 and determine whether it's prime or composite by creating a T-chart. So I put 14 on the top of my T-chart, and then I'm going to write down all my factors of 14. I have 1 in 14, 2 times 7, and I know if I have more than 2 factors, that makes it a composite number. So 14 is composite because it had 4 factors. Let's do one more example.
You'll be finished.
All right, I'm going to take my two numbers again and add them together. I've got 7 plus 12. And 7 plus 12 is 19. So to determine whether 19 is prime or composite, I'm going to do another T-chart. Put 19 at the top. I know 1 times 19 will work. 2 won't work because 19 is not even. 3 won't work. 4 won't work. 19 doesn't have any more factors, which means it only has 2, which is going to make it a prime number. So these are just a few games that you can play at home using Dominoes to help work on some of your math skills. We miss you and hope to see you soon. Bye!